Hello everyone, so we are going to start a new map series. Why this map series will be unique and different from other map series? Because in this map series we are going to cover a particular location in a comprehensive manner. कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर हम किसी रिवर सिस्टम की भी बात कर रहे हैं, so we are not going to cover just the tributaries of that river system. We will also cover important Ramsar sites, dams, historical significance, geomorphological features and everything that is important with respect to that location. ताकि आपकी पूरी तैयारी कंप्लीट हो जाए एक सिंगल वीडियो से ही. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर डिस्कशन. Today we are going to talk about river Sindhu, which is none other than river Indus. This river has historically been very important for many cultures. The 3rd millennium BCE saw the rise of Indus Valley civilization, a urban civilization of a Bronze Age. On this river system, many urban centers flourished. For example, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Dholavira, Lothal, etc. And this is the same river which is mentioned in the Rig Veda as Saptasindhu and in Avesta as Haptahindu, both the meaning 7 rivers. The history, the polity and the geography of India will remain incomplete without having discussion on the Indus River system. Indus River is Asia's transboundary and South and Central Asia's trans-Himalayan river. The Indus River system originates in Tibetan Plateau, specifically from Bukharchu Glacier near Lake Mansarovar in Tibet at 4,164 meters in Kailash mountain range. In Tibet, it is known as Singi Khamban or Lion's Mouth. The total length of Indus is about 3,200 kilometers, but in India, it flows around 1,114 kilometers. From its source, the river flows through northwest through the Ladakh region of India, entering the country at Damchok. It flows through Himalayan foothills and forms a vast drainage basin spanning 11,20,000 kilometers square across Pakistan, India, China, and Afghanistan. 47% of Indus drainage lies in Pakistan, 39% in India, 8% in China, and 6% in Afghanistan. The Indus then flows northwest through Ladakh, that is Indian administered Kashmir, and Baltistan and Gilgit, that is Pakistan occupied Kashmir, just south of the Karakoram range. It gradually bends to the south and descends into the Punjab plains at Kalabagh, Pakistan. The Indus passes gigantic gorges 4,500 to 5,200 meters deep near the Nanga Parbat Massif. So friends, before starting our discussion about the tributaries of river Indus, let us understand few terms and concepts. River Indus is an antecedent river, which means that this river is existed before Himalayas, and this river has entrenched itself while the Himalayas were forming. Now, what is the difference between head of the river and the mouth of the river? Head of the river is a point where the river is originating. It can be a glacier or a lake, while the mouth of the river is a point where the river is flowing towards a bigger water bodies. It can be ocean or sea. Now, what is tributary and how do we differentiate it from the main stream? So friend, the length of the tributary will be smaller than the main stream, and also the discharge of water or the volume of water will be higher in the main stream as compared to the tributary. Now, what is tributary and distributary? Tributary is a stream that will join the main stream, and distributary is a stream that will branch itself off from the main stream, and the tributary will never join sea or the ocean directly, while the distributary will join sea or the ocean directly. अब लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी और राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी क्या होता है? जो भी रिवर की डायरेक्शन होती है, उस डायरेक्शन से अगर कोई भी स्ट्रीम और कोई भी ट्रिब्यूटरी लेफ्ट साइड से आकर के रिवर से मिलती है, दैट इज लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी, और कोई भी स्ट्रीम अगर राइट साइड से आके मिलती है, दैट इज राइट बैंक स्ट्रीम. So now let us know about the tributaries of river Indus. The Indus river system is characterized by its tributaries. The right bank tributaries include the Shyok, which originates from Rimu Glacier. Nubra River, which is a tributary of Shyok River, originates from Siachen Glacier, which is the highest and the coldest battlefield in the world. The another important right bank tributary of Indus are Shigar, which originates from Baltoro and Biafo Glacier, and Gilgit River. All these rivers carry glacial water into the main river, that is Indus. The left bank tributary includes the Jaskar River, which flows into the Indus in Ladakh and has a greater volume of water than the Indus itself. Suru River is a tributary of the Indus River that flows largely through the Kargil district of Ladakh. And the five major left bank tributaries of Indus are Panjnad. Number 1, Jhelum River, which originates from Verinag Spring in the Pir Panjal range of Jammu and Kashmir. It is joined by Neelam, which is also known as Kishan Ganga, Kunhar, and Pooch rivers. The Jhelum River, originating from Verinag Spring in the Pir Panjal range, is known for its steep gradient and high sediment load, tributary of Indus, and forms the Mangla Dam, a significant hydroelectric and irrigation project, and it was the site of the famous Battle of Hydaspes, which was fought between Alexander and King Porus. And this decisive battle fought on the bank of Jhelum, which is known as Hydaspes to the Greeks, and it is also known as the First Battle of Jhelum River. The another important tributary is Chenab. The Chenab River, it is the largest tributary of Indus in India and is formed by the confluence of Chandra and Bhaga River at the Baralacha Pass in Lahul and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh. It is known for its turbulent flow and deep gorges, making it suitable for hydroelectric generation. The Salal, Baglihar, Dalhasti Dam, and Tirumur are major projects on the Chenab. Ravi River, which originates west of Rohtang Pass in the Kulu Hills, is known for its rich timber forest in the Chamba Valley. It joins the Chenab near Sarai Sidhu after entering Pakistan. The Battle of 10 Kings, which is mentioned in the Rig Veda, was fought on this river. The theme, which is also known as Ranjit Sagar Dam, is a major project on the Chenab. Beas River, which rises from the Beas Kund near the Rohtang Pass in Himachal Pradesh. The Parvati River is one of its major tributaries and is known for its canyons and rapids in Dhauladhar mountain ranges. It merges with Satluj near Harike in Punjab. Pong Dam and Pando Dam are important multi-purpose projects on Beas. Pong is also important Ramsar site. Satluj River, which originates from Mansarovar and Rakas Lake in Tibet, entering India through Shipkila Pass, and is joined by the Spiti River, known for its high hydropower potential. The Satluj River also holds religious significance for Sikh. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of Sikhism, is said to have attained enlightenment in the banks of the river Satluj. The river is mentioned in the Guru Granth Sahib as well. The Bhakra Dam on the Satluj is one of the highest gravity dam in the world. The Harike, Sarhind, Govind Sagar, Kharcham Wangtu hydroelectric plant, Nathpa Dam are other important multi-purpose projects on the river Satluj. दोस्तों, इंडस रिवर सिस्टम एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट जो मॉर्फोलॉजिकल फीचर फॉर्म करती है, विच इज नोन एज दोआब. दोआब इज अ लैंड एरिया बिटवीन टू रिवर सिस्टम. Indus River and its tributaries form doabs at different locations. We have Sindh Sagar Doab, which is a land area between Jhelum and Indus. We have Chach Doab, which is a land area between Chenab and Jhelum. We have Rachna Doab, which is a land area between Ravi and Chenab. Bari Doab, which is a land area between Beas and Ravi. And finally, Bist Doab, which is a land area between Beas and Satluj. And with respect to Indus, we have a very important treaty which is known as Indus Water Treaty of 1960. It was signed between India and Pakistan and it was brokered by World Bank. According to this treaty, the eastern water of the Indus is shared by India, which includes Ravi, Beas and Satluj, while the western water of Indus river system is controlled by Pakistan, which includes Jhelum, Indus and Chenab. So friends, if you have liked this video, do let us know. And if you want to have information in the PDF format, do let us know. We will join you in the Telegram group. Till then, bye-bye and take care.